Okapi, the secretive giraffe of the rainforest. Deep in the lush rainforests of the Congo Basin lives an extraordinary and mysterious creature, the Okapi, Okapia johnstoni. Often referred to as the forest giraffe, the Okapi is a unique animal that combines features of a giraffe and a zebra, but is truly in a class of its own. Known for its elusive nature and striking appearance, the Okapi is one of nature's most fascinating and secretive mammals. What is an Okapi? The Okapi is a member of the giraffe family, Giraffidae, even though it looks nothing like its towering cousin. It is found exclusively in the dense tropical forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, where it is adapted perfectly to a life of seclusion and survival in a challenging environment. The Okapi was unknown to the Western world until 1901, earning it a reputation as one of the last large mammals to be discovered by science. Its rarity and secretive nature have made it a symbol of the mysteries still hidden in the natural world. Physical features. The Okapi's unique appearance helps it blend into its rainforest surroundings. Zebra-like stripes. The Okapi's legs and hindquarters are covered in bold black and white stripes, which help it camouflage among the shadows of the forest. These stripes also act as guides for their calves, helping the young follow their mothers, giraffe-like a horse. The Okapi has a muscular horse-like body covered in a velvety reddish-brown coat that repels water and keeps it dry in the humid rainforest. Giraffe-like features. Despite its short neck, the Okapi shares many traits with giraffes, including a similar skull shape and an elongated tongue that it uses to pluck leaves and clean its face. The devised oversized ears provide excellent hearing, allowing it to detect predators like leopards, its main natural threat. Prehensile tongue. The Okapi's tongue is so long, up to 18 inches, that it can reach its eyes and ears. It uses this dexterous tongue to strip leaves from branches and groom itself. Habitat and range okapis are found only in the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. They inhabit dense lowland rainforests where the canopy provides shade and cover, making it difficult for predators to spot them. These forests are rich in vegetation, offering the Okapi a constant supply of food. Diet and feeding habits. The Okapi is a herbivore, with a diet that consists primarily of leaves, buds, fruits, ferns, fungus. Okapis are selective feeders and can consume over 100 plant species, including some that are toxic to humans. Their long tongue helps them reach leaves high in the trees and strip bark from branches. Okapis also ingest clay and charcoal, which may help neutralize toxins in their diet and provide essential minerals. Behavior and lifestyle. Solitary nature. Solitary nature, known as the ghosts of the forest. Okapis are incredibly quiet and rely on their camouflage and stealth to avoid predators. Communication. Okapis use subtle vocalizations, including soft chuffs and infrasounds, low-frequency sounds that are inaudible to humans, to communicate with their young and signal to other Okapis. Daily routine. Okapis are diurnal, meaning they are most active during the day, although their activity may peak during dawn and dusk when the forest is cooler. Reproduction and lifestyle. Mating and gestation. Female Okapis give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of around 14-15 months. Males do not participate in raising the young, birth and early life. Calves are born weighing about 30-65 pounds. For the first few weeks, they remain hidden in a nesting site. to avoid predators, relying on their mothers for nourishment and protection, weaning and independence. Okapi calves are weaned at around 6 months old and become fully independent by the age of 1 year. Lifespan. In the wild, okapis can live up to 20 years, though their lifespan is often longer in captivity due to the absence of predators and consistent care. Threats and conservation status. The okapi is classified as endangered on the IUCN Red List. Its population has been declining due to several factors. Habitat loss, deforestation caused by logging, mining, and agricultural expansion has significantly reduced the okapi's habitat. Poaching. Though okapis are not typically hunted for their meat, they are often caught in traps set for other animals or killed unintentionally during illegal activities. Civil unrest. Political instability and conflict in the Democratic Republic of Congo pose additional threats to the okapi, as protected areas are difficult to enforce. Predations. Leopards are the primary natural predators of okapis, particularly young and vulnerable individuals. Conservation efforts to protect the okapi include the establishment of the Okapi Wildlife Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that covers a significant portion of the species range, sea poaching patrols and community education programs to reduce human impact, breeding programs in zoos to ensure the survival of the species and raise awareness about its plight. Fascinating facts about the okapi. The okapi is sometimes called a living fossil because it has remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. It was unknown to the scientific world until Sir Harry Johnston documented it in 1901. The okapi's closest living relative is the giraffe, even though the two species look very different. The okapi's stripes are as unique as fingerprints, helping researchers identify individuals. Conclusion. The okapi is one of nature's most enigmatic creatures, embodying the mystery and beauty of the rainforest. Its striking appearance, secretive behavior, and vital role in the ecosystem make it a symbol of Madagascar's unique biodiversity. Protecting this rare and fascinating species is not just about preserving an animal, it's about safeguarding the delicate balance of the rainforest itself. By understanding and appreciating the okapi, we can take a step toward ensuring its survival for generations to come.